It's crazy how a haircut can have you looking from this to this. Crazy. All right, y'all. Let's take a look at these shoes now. All right, y'all. So, as you can see, we got that package secured, man. Hey, let me tell y'all right now, it's a really great day to be me. No, I'm just playing. It's a real great day, man. Black Cat 3s finally released in a full family sizing, man. You know, JD Sports is gonna be the plug every single time, and I'm not gonna waste none of y'all time. We're gonna dive right into it, unbox these pairs. Along with my pair, we also got wifey's actual size. So I know we already saw these on the channel already, but you know, we always gotta do a pickup vlog too, right? So let's go ahead. Since we already done seen the gray scoop pairs before, we gonna start off with wifey's pair, y'all. The box, they gonna say black, dark charcoal, white. Yeah, size 7Y. This is for wifey. And Black Cat 3s, y'all. I know I done already showed the B-roll from the beginning of the video, but yeah, this is the size 7Y. We've already seen these before. I feel like her pair from the store looks a lot better than the other pair we've seen, the size 5Y. By the way, we did also get a size 6.5Y. So as you can see on the outsoles, you got that all black out silhouette. On the back, you have the Jumpman Air logo. On the tongue, you do have a embossed Jumpman right there. And then I feel like my favorite part of the shoe has got to be the laces right here. You have these leopard print laces that just make this pop. I feel like that's why this shoe, in my opinion, is better than the Black Cat 4s, solely off the laces alone. Size 7Y. Now we're gonna take a look at my pair. All right, we're gonna set wifey's pair to the side. You feel me? I'm gonna have to lace them up for real soon, but set them to the side. And now, what I've been waiting for, what you probably been waiting for, the men's pairs. Look, y'all. Size 11.5, same size tag, gonna read black, dark charcoal, white. Jumpman, regular Jumpman box. That's the only thing. I wish we would have had a little something special about the box. But honestly, at a $200 price point instead of $215, $220, $230, I'll take a regular box because don't nobody see the box, all right? And set this to the side. And then what y'all all came here to see, the Air Jordan 3 Retro in a men's size. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man, that patent leather pops for real. Like, oh my, let me pull them both out. This is, cause these are so good. Like, I can't lie to y'all, but patent leather on these is actually insane. And then like, it's like a shiny metallic, not really metallic, but like a shiny midsole as well, along that matches the patent leather. Like, honestly, you cannot go wrong with these. Black Cat 3s are so tough. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm so glad we have these, because when the Black Cat 4s released back in 2020, 5 years ago, crazy, right? Black Cat 4s have been out for 5 years, almost. Fun fact, the Black Cat 4s released on my birthday back in 2020, which is crazy. So if you can find the release date for the Black Cat 4s, you know what my birthday is. Had to get them for my birthday. You know what I'm saying? They were sitting on shelves. Let me not say it like that, but like I picked them up because back in 2020 I was broke, baby. Look, wifey, my girlfriend at the time, had got me these for my birthday. All right, so Black Cat 4s or Black Cat 3s, like which one y'all taking? Black Cat 4 is cool, y'all. Black Cat 4 is cool. Like, let's look at it this way. Yeah, Black Cat 4s did get a nice box. I mean, it wasn't really nothing different. It was basically an all blacked out version. Jordan Flight on the top of what we already have, essentially. So nothing really too crazy. Black garbage bag paper on the inside. So nothing too crazy versus what we got now. But I just feel like I said, the only thing that the fours were missing, in my opinion, was those laces. Like, I feel like if the fours had the leopard print laces on them too, I feel like this would be a hit, and I would almost kind of like these maybe a little bit more. Might have to take the laces and throw them in here, see what they look like. Who knows? I might try it out. All right, but we have the comparison between the fours and the threes here, y'all. And man, when I tell y'all, it feels good to have both of these in the collection. Like I said, whenever the fours came out originally, it wasn't something that I really wanted. If these would have came out in 2020, I would have shelled out that $200. But yeah, that patent leather, like I said, all around that toe box, from the midsole to the toe box, all the way around. On the bottom, you also have the same Jordan where the Air pod is. Jordan Air on the back. We don't need Nike Air on there. But one thing that I will take note of is the inside material is kind of like a different type of material, but it feels like really soft. Makes it seem like whenever you do wear these and you have them on feet, they'll be real comfortable. So that's a good thing to know, y'all. But did y'all cop today? Did y'all grab yourself a pair? If you didn't, and you do want these, do not sleep. Let's check prices. So at the time of recording this video, they are at an amazing price on StockX right now for $229, maybe after taxes, maybe after the fees. You're probably looking at like $250, $45 maybe. And I feel like, you remember what happened with the Black Cat 4s? They sat, well, granted, there was a whole pandemic, but you remember what happened last time with the Black Cat 4s, right? They sat on shelves, I want to say for like maybe like a week or two, like in every single men's size. I remember I was sitting in class, I was asking my homeboy, I'm like, fam, should I grab these? And then he was just like, I don't know. And then you know what happened? Wifey grabbed them for me. She know I like them shoes. Couldn't do it myself, so she got it for me. Appreciate you, babe. But we're gonna reverse back. Do not sleep on these. Okay, y'all gonna be real sick this time next year, or even the holiday time. This year, 2025, I'm gonna be upset. These are $400, okay? I do not expect these to be the same resale price as the 4s, because you know, when it comes to Jordan 4s, there's like this type of hype for it. You know what I'm saying? Granted, I do like Jordan 4s, but it's like, I don't know, I feel like the whole fashion style right now is like baggy pants. And I feel like the Jordan 4 is like a bulkier shoe, so it kind of like fits the baggy style more. So I feel like that's why the Jordan 4s all kind of went crazy resale wise. But the fact that they're only $229 on resale markets right now tells you that the sneaker game is a lot different. The players that are involved, the people that are actually going out and buying shoes are way different than the OGs, right? So gotta keep that in mind. That's why a lot of these original colorways is probably sitting. These did not sit on sneakers, by the way. We still seeing black cement 3s restocking. You know what I'm saying? So definitely be on the lookout. I feel like there's definitely gonna be some restocks on these, so I wouldn't worry too much. But if it gets around to, it's early January, if it gets around to like early to mid-February, and you don't have these and you haven't been able to get yourself a pair, I'd probably be worried. Probably would be worried, all right, that you're gonna have to pay that resale price. But hopefully it's not that high once that time frame comes around. But outside of that, I'm done yapping, y'all. I'm happy. These are like my grails. I'm so happy I got these in the collection because my uncle had these growing up, and I remember seeing them. I'm just like, yo, these are so dope. Like the laces, like the name being Black Cat, and then the laces like having like a leopard print. Like, I thought that was tough. And my uncle had them. He had beat them to the ground. They came out all the way back in the mid 2000s. So the fact that we get now in 2025, this is great. I will cherish these along with the Black Cat 4s. No, still like the Black Cat 4s, but these is what I really wanted. All right, y'all get in the comment section. Y'all let me know if y'all cop these today. If you enjoyed the video, which I want to see next. feel like the next thing you'll probably see on the channel is gonna be the black metallic 5s. Whew, black metallic 5s look so good. You've seen pictures, I feel like every single pair was made by hand. All of them just look great, honestly. But outside of that, man, it's your boy Moody. I'm checking in, checking out, and yeah, we're gonna see y'all in the next video. Appreciate y'all for watching. Oh, and yeah, by the way, make sure hit that subscribe button, the thumbs up on the video. I'm gonna see you in the next video. All right, so see y'all in the next video. I'm gone. All right.